Thank you, sweetie. Oh, Salomon. Even Usamuwe. Yeah, Yes, I know say this music not be me singer, but na me get her. Either the owner like her or not like her. It's my heritage. Okay? This music or this song is came up on behalf of the owner. You get? So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That depends on your location. Happy Sunday, my lovely, amazing people. It's your one and only Mommy Suzy Suzy, the big, sexy grandma. Okay? International, worldwide. Are you getting me? I've heard what you before. I'm here again. Okay? Because of the shameless, useless, rigmarophobia, rigmaro, calamalotion, edede, British, or baika, obiye baby, obiyo no me. Even if you're money in America, no, I'm near. Okay? But before I start, please, ladies and gentlemen, if you think you want to saga me because of a kia where I go do, you no get saga. You get. Now, I may use my mouth talk. Say I get black boy. No, but na con see na con talk. Na me tell you. It don't say we I talk. You get. When it don't over, na me do video say. Igi me ni jinya ya wa me na po when I would be you. You get? Okay? That one can pass. And before you can talk, say Suzy Suzy. You get to a boy, you go do a care. Please, make sure you wash your own say you are clean. Either you married to a black man, small children they put hand for your toto, or you fell born for Igbo. All the names say you want to go carry pikin go give you papa, you don't marry black person. The Igbo say they do licky for your pekus. Or you don't forget that to Igbo, you can't go marry black person, you can't use the Igbo to do your pikin called father. Not talk to me, oh. Not talk to me, oh. Sometimes if I want to do saga, it get a certain day, oh. Trouble. I be Miss Susukunwa. I am the cheerleader of troublemaker. But it gets a kind stage where you will reach. You go call yourself advice, say, you don't need them. Okay? Good morning, everyone. You say you don't need them. That way, never day. Or Maria Maluzo Mugbenori or Godin. Or Awazo or Godin. Wanna do I? If you want to saga me, use all that thing. Suzy Suzy. You come abroad, the time where your mate they come. You know make them. You know get house. You know get documents. You know get husband. All those things. Okay. You are not responsible. You don't take care of your children. You know sabi do this one. Use that one. If you dare my body, use that one. Say Ekia, I better not try it. Because Ekia now 75 years. Now go do and reach. I will not stop it or take break because of anybody. No. Without consideration. Even my mama no go fit talk. Because that dog any care anyway. You get? Baby no give me yari anyway. Baby no go yari anyway. Baby me yari we yari that dog go in the kene hook na hook no na go ask cream me dey scream one you na tie. Okpaika. Meji ewu we. Ne go ask cream. Don't try it. No, just try it. Me and you not be the same category. In terms of romantic phobia. For bed, me and you not be the same category. No go there, no enter there. I just go to beg you. You get? In terms of say, if they don't want ready, you want to wake here, me and you not be the same category. You understand? Me and not be like you where they wear here, but they sleep. Now night's gone. Now they wear. One of my night gone. Now be this one. Very short. See, if you want to say it one, you want more color who can open. You want to be used. One day they video. You understand? I be one kind woman a day. If I want come, I dey come the very romantic way. And if I see myself in the bed, I look beautiful. You get? Imaye get there, bokpaika. Okpaika. Be ye with no obesity. No pe akinarwa be bed on you akinarwa pe ti ba magnet. Me I be rig my role. I dey roll anytime, any day. You understand? Me I do not be the same. We be a day, oh, I agree. We are the same. A day, that make me a come. If not all those people wait, blah, not corrupt now, small picking, I not go come answer. I know so you don't date the mesh. But the reason why I can't answer you because you are a grandmother. That is the reason I'm here. No, because of another thing. Because you don't get sense. You understand? I not be like you. And this nightgown when you see so, you get pants. The pants. Now if you knock your pants, if you wear them, you act because they go this year. I don't know whether you get a quick call. That one not concern me. My whole now they tell you so. You get. So you can see a lady with a beautiful dress in the side of a man and they want to come. It look very fantastic romantic phobia. Me and you we na let the siebu. Uje na ke sioha. Bede gudu. Ibada. I don't make bada gudu. Okay? Me and you not be the same. But if you want to saga me, you say me not be like you. When I walk be an listen. Kiani. You back mo here yo the person question me take work ma concern even. Kiani marry great ye kiani na the person we get that kiani no responsible. That one not concern me. At the time we tell you, I'm out. I first tell you now, not be that day where that thing happen. The chapter already closed since May before I go party for Jamie. You get? No come talk that one say because you and that one that you want contest saga. No try you no get saga. And that one you can't talk out those things. What tell you again you are opaika. You we consider talk for the matter that day. Not be say you they talk for the matter because the way you they talk for the matter, it no make sense. You know why not it make sense? Because now so lie. Now you the lie they put. Do you know particularly it's not my note? But you will lie on top of that loan before the one where they drive €5, and the one what they do on the second say not be me get am. In 2023, that the same blue film, the first say na one of presenter like that. So that one not be new thing. You can know what the married that why you fabricate to ne ongia. Evadi na mi okpa ika o lo disgrace la ma yagba no disgrace di kan like baby no la we gbe kan okpa ika. You understand? That one come pass for them. Then okpa ika, I know they carry 81. Wait, don't pass 60 years. No, okpa ika, because you fat. Now they say you don't hold. You did the measure. Now you concern. You have a character of 17 years old. But at your age, you are just between 50 and 51. We are all the same age group. Not be say you don't hold like that. How you come make bada. When you take the chop, buy. You are marry here. When you bada. That make come whether they look you like that. You understand? That one come pass for them. Okpaika, make I tell you. Eke will pass 55 years, maximum 58. I know they carry above 60. Amanya ho ya we say. Agwagwa, mokbe ya the new spam oge. You understand? Okpaika, I not be like you. You understand? That one can't finish for them. That Ikea where I go do. I don't talk the matter of Ikea. Where I for F. Now because say I don't ask question where. I say, oh boga where I be. I give that blame to myself. But do the Ikea, I have never regretted it. I am responsible for my the Ikea question. How they talk, not be person way carry. Then you they get them because I mean why? My time when so don't cry my cry for that Ikea. You don't get that qualification. You don't have that. You are not capable to even sit down that day. They talk to me. It's just that but una way they Ibo as way they born for that way they are duro. But una where una say una wan marry about to they ma go propose una for another country the other day. Why you arrive about? I can't look everywhere. The thing can't be like say I can't look all of now say what a just situation. Oh God. Sometimes. No, not everybody. But the one we don't get mental disorder issue. No. Yeah, you are here. That one can finish for them. Another thing I want to tell you about Ika. Don't ever try it and say, me and you, we even am here where Erube ya wekia, Erime ya wekia. Me and you not to do Ekia in the same category. Never in your life. Not talk am. Not try am. Me I not be like you where they use buluku. They sleep with old man. I sleep with nightgown, coffin. You understand? With clean, better perfume, clean peckles, authentic, smell nice, come nice, with a very thick voice. You get? That's the kind of person that I am. Okay? But I not be like you where you are come. Who are big woman? Oh, negbe. Oh, fure. Oh, me mevade. Put her for his side. I don't open my leg. I not feel comf up. What could they up? Make a day down. Away wagon away. I want to come. Where go? Where get the edge of area now? Make it fat the area. My way up. Never. You understand? Me, I not be like you when no sabi scream. Me, I am the day. I agree. Confirm. Grandmother. I agree. I beg. As I be screamo with a very sexy voice. You understand? Me and you not be the same. No, nobody should compare me. Say, if you want to do it, and so we did do. I beg. If you go for President Peking, that one not concern me. That one not concern me. But use that Ikea at the right time. Now that one is important. I use God to beg you. I use God to beg you. You understand? I use God to beg you. Not try am. Because that one, not be sex agana you want to do me. There you come out of Paika. The time when you fed them Milano. Where you there with Oibo. All that they do your quickos. You there with Oibo. You they collect joint money from Monsa. You understand? Opaika, you know say wetin I dey talk say I know the lie. You understand? You there Milano, you there with Oibo, you they do a keep back. That one not finished for them. You they collect joint money 50 by 100 where you no carry come from Nigeria. You can't they collect them. That is another serious crime. You understand? in European system because you don't have that right. That is worse than trafficking. You understand? That one finish for there. You know they talk your own. You know they talk your own. That one can't finish aside. Okpaika. You can't say, if anybody go talk to you, me, sexy grandma, the only they will know how to scream. Now my size are they carry for Eke. I know they carry the one way old past me. I know they carry the one way I old past. I do something accordingly. I know they carry person husband. Married me. Even yaw. Because you know why? You only see your ball you might be. Or my see you might be. Or come to Bomemu Yoto. Or Baika. You no fear. That day you sit down, you they talk for my matter. That one pass. No problem. Matter will come for social media. Everybody can deliberate on it. I know the verse. You come on, finish. You go use yourself for where you foresee iye-eki one of Belgium. Then she come make you yeah. Now that one I go for you because that is what everybody go they do for you. Yes? You understand? Then after you enjoy yourself finish, you do video, see your shame and disgrace. You will the brab on top. Anybody way Okpaika, special announcement that be this way. If you like, you take. If you don't like, you don't take. If Okpaika give you gifts, if you look and say the time we take give you that gift, say you they essay, you okay? You don't they improve. Correct go start to be jealous. Because Okpaika they think say anybody way he give gift to, you go use and collect a star. But when Okpaika give you anything, British Okpaika now they tell you na so. If Okpaika give you things, you know say the thing will give you. You they improve. Correct what they honor give in area no any. Ye master to collected destiny way. Ezo day. Or be benu or my walk. But Okpaika got them in one gave with nani near dead when you see where iye-eki. Or tell with my becky. Also our daughter here. Or tell my daughter. Monoma say no be. Have it the day and if we dinner. Or adopting have 5 minutes after 2. Or I see here kegby. It ever penetrate. You understand? Those years for social media when you they come, my people. Now we, if you and co, now we gather the support at that time. If we come on for them, we will go lovely your platform. That time we they do all those Ekia late in the night. That we take they do on that time for lovely platform. You understand? Then Okpaika wanna see so as Okpaika ten social media. Me, I know Okpaika where more than many of you now with this social media. Okay? Now we support and oh yeah. That time where live video news start 2017. Now the talk soon. Now so Okpaika can't they boast. Good morning, my bros Friday. Good morning, everyone. Now so Okpaika can't say it be enoji of a who himi Peking. It's a princess. Now it be. Okay? I don't they follow Okpaika that time when he lost his senior brother, one of his brother. That time they follow him. We don't they follow at that time. That time we many including Mama Joy. They follow at that time. You don't say Mama Joy now all tele for Facebook. You not say na new. No, old school tele oh boga. That time all of us they gather. They follow Okpaika. They say they didn't scatter. But if you both lovely, all of us with the day there. That time, even if you never start, if you come out in the night, lovely go there, platform they talk a matter. Me, I go join lovely in the night. You understand? So, then Okpaika can't start. Trouble go start with someone. I go call her for back. I go beg her. He don't do. All of us, they gather the day, lie. He don't make it agree. I say, you know, my trouble my way to say it be. Now, lie. You go carry that one head in one spoiler. Okay, me I be one kind person. If you want to do that kind of thing, I not follow you join. You go call us that time. You present away with another quarrel. You go gossip all of us to us. That is what she was doing at that time. We don't really know them. That time Monica with the S, we don't know them. That time, no. As the year they do something back. We just if you say, really, everybody they fear them that time. You understand? Me, I'm a very straightforward person. Me, I know they lie. Even me that time, I don't like them. I know they look there at all. I say the 2 day ash. That time, we don't even understand what is called social media. Social media, there, she and a pa with a lovely. Now, 3 of them now they support that time. With Mama Joy, constantly support her. You understand? That time they call for, if you do, they do live video now, person go come. you go dey your screen. Okay? Almost like TikTok. You go dey your screen that time. You understand? So they while I can gas. While I can gas now, so you can concern. That not be not that they call her. That lady where they say cream before where they do hair, where guess where they do hair. Matter can concern that lady. He can't say he with that lady can't quarrel. He said that lady, he said the person where they do have that. He said na enogie, ewo himi adopted child. He said na they do have that. I know you didn't know what thing. I remember what he concern that lady that time. You understand? That's why he can't carry princess, ewo himi princess can't say no be enogie bona. Say na adopt. Now they adopt her. Not in way of bike cannot they gossip. For bike can swear your head. You go gossip anything, gossip people. Not be like they tell you. This is where they toss. If you say not to me, go go GD paper. Me toge. Be got near po you because I no respect any cow making. You got time no way yes tata. Then in which you can start to you. Then when they can start their own now, you with the S. After the constant now, later. The next thing. People mainly that time, some people were still not for UK for that side. Us now say to type and call in. Now we did that time. Apart from that, we not they go any other message for now because we don't really know any other person. Facebook maybe expose the 7 years now. Now you go that dog all those things. Now one day he can't do video. Now so he can't carry grave. As the matter they come, no. Maybe one woman come tell and say, you don't do make it rest. Even if anybody no fit get don't know we dog boto e maga gbena support na. You understand? Since you know here, we can't stay clear. O my clever, my ige, or ya mwidin, o muladian. Igbede. Emelete the other woman we. Idio. Igwagwe imi gbe na be no mi no bomebo gbe mero. One am midin. Now I can't ask him, why you go do this thing? He said no. He said go bring her come. I said no me na this one person o woman no gune. O ya muladian. Ma avase o ma hon, na wi obi ma obi ma. Ma na wi o him ma make no na midin. Ibi agbo mi ri oke. E de no mudi re de o ma le. Because who he only talk, this thing I'm telling you guys is true, not about the truth. This one has nothing to do with saga. As I take on away from this woman, or Paika, and then you monitor woman of him, or another beraba. Only the berabani, yana the weather, and another mueno, a no jail or wohimi, yana to mure. Bam. Okona do day. I even live on back. Ona do lage, Diono Sagi. Okay. Diono Sagi matter, now we really support on that time because that time. Me, evil Tina, now no say me I like Jonosagi way. Now when she started the evil day, fuck up with Jonosagi, and I call it, I'm a young way see. Because me like come no get pest on no man no way. It would if you can't quarry, it will break me and you for inside. Now be this one. In with if you I can't tell and say, what if you have misunderstanding? Who what you know? Man, let's say who what you know what give you to here now? No, this is bad. And I don't call it a platform. Emma, no, they do this kind of way they do so. We where they support you, we be. We not look you say we be son. Why you come because say you with one Benin person get misunderstanding, you can't insult the whole person. Me of you no man okay, baba. That's why I can't come out and not call it a platform again. That's why it can't start. It can't start to depress me because I know it a platform again. Or you get me ba. Ina baba ni le. Imagilele. Ona do azolo me. Ona gazolo me because I get ye presenter. But I get no ya azolo me na keso azolo me. Triple Suzy. Ma wo gba ki eyan go make triple Suzy. Wo when you kia e ba, you may not so near be present by bet or when you kia ni ya bully present by bet. You understand? You can't detest present by bet matter, you can't gossip on to me. I don't know that one. That I never even know say we be family safe. But I don't use them. If person tell you say do something, e ko walk it do our do way. Imawe e page in na river. Well, I know say na 2020. Now I can start to do video for my triple Suzy. I don't use that to bully anybody. Now small before I can carry Kiamata come out. I start with my life true story. Before I can talk Kiamata, I start to build my page. Where they come monetize me 2021 December. You understand? I can't run away from her. So, Okpaika, I have known you for a long time, more than the way you know yourself. Now, person will not know you, never go dress it near body. You understand? Now, so I tell you that you can't talk on a talolida. It's supposed to say, get my audio. Say I gossip, give him. Now that time for complain. When I don't buy cow robo no. Oh, gwale me no see cocoa. No do yawe. Because me I don't know say I don't get anything where I give and make it hide. You understand? Get the Facebook mama. I'm having understand. I'm about to view me no my yard be na my way. Real lefe otilo. Ilene na lene. From there okona do day. Okori de 2020 eri okona ya to tayo way. Evi no ma senate egweji. Okona na ready me do. Ona asilari fake account yona asili yari. Okpaika where for no reku. At your age of 50 years, but you have dementia symptoms already. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are not to be trusted. Never. Where did they not can't see? Now, no, you know, they don't feel count on you. Say, this is the day. Now, only fake account out there follow amo. If I use reface, I tell her something. The secret of your life, this is the reason. Any sensible person cannot carry a risk, say, can't follow you. Do you understand? Even that lady where they bear audio love it, that time, all of us, they follow you. Yes. She they call for your platform that time. See, everybody know your real character. Everybody bagger. The only way you will support anyone, if that person is going to fall into trouble, that is the only way you will support that person. If that person is growing up, if it's a say, that person they progress. Now ye la ye. You know if you support her. Bros, don't want happy Sunday. You know if you support her. Okpaika, me I will be the last a day that will get close to you. Never. I don't see you physically. I don't see you spiritually. Me I know say you. You still know say me I not be a married person. Me I know the cat person where you be. You know me. We both said, "So I'm more than I use that say our late legend." He said, "Now we know my people. Now me and you know. You know the cat person where I be. Me I still know you. Okpeka, anybody where you see face they follow you. If you say not want you again, you go they fight by all means, spiritually, physically, where you take brigand down. That one can't finish for them. Okpeka, you want to something? You say me no get right to come talk to you. And you walk by come uzu okpaika. Okpaika, you will come from bad background. Bad one as that. Okpaika, where is your father's village? Where is your father's village? Abina Ewohimi be your papa and your mama village. Your mama come from Ewohimi, we agree. Where did your father come from? If your papa na Isha, your mama na Bini, you are Isha. When your papa be Isha, your mama na Bini, you are an Isha person. When your papa be Bini, your mama be Isha, you are a Bini person. Okpaika, where are you from? Because even your Isha people, you don't like them. The one where they progress from inside. You know they like her. Epa domo salary say happy Sunday. Domo long time. Domo I hope everything is fine. Domo sir. Only the one where you not say if they get down for now, you declare the one where not get good record, where get that but just if you're not looking for this social media, make una tell me any Isha person where I can adopt. Where they close to a boy, where get better thing. Wadota mame doro. Any Isha person where I cannot say if they progress. Or I can carry a near body. On a go error. Or few Isha where they follow on. Or here where we are going say. Or even a day, zaka. Now only that one. If no kunse, we no kunse. And I'm your bike or you boji. If we no ma. Bike a little work and wants to progress, you know. What achieve no matter achieve any day. Except on whenever I will know, I will not wake up by career. Oh, making not be say should buy, not be say tell me tell you. Not be saying I should buy, not be say tell me tell you. Okay, sir. If I boss me now. Or send me your number in my messenger. Send me your number in my messenger. May I take call you? I don't get your number again. I look for a way to call you, but I don't see any way. If now you go easy pass, I beg. Go inbox me in my messenger. May you send me your number for there. If I finish immediately, maybe maximum 20 minutes time, I'll call you back. I really want to see you. If I miss you, happy to see you again. Domo. Are you getting me, my people? Or Baika, you no fear. You say me, talk for your matter. When no vieva who ever walk by my home, Nakete na we izu ego boy ma one ego himi. Umare no do di bonke for one day. Okbaika, a stigma gasin women no him. Beno genania, easy me madema muka. Iye me azin. Onu on papa do talk not the name of saga. Oh, Wijime. Already your demo. It's social media. Me what can I social media? Aga when name boy I record the post ye the oh hey. Oh, when I get hallelujah. Because it showed the kind of character you exhibit on social media. Everybody know you the kind of person who want done. You can't work be no cars and ya dem am do my. Okpa you dare say when no my can work it. Where we me no we are that zone CC. O mo na get trailer driver koko no wa do right. Nera go na the ticket ya we bury agera no we keg be right way. Where we me na go work. Okpa you know your papa. Did you know your father? Nobody don't ask you this question. I'm asking you today. Where did you come from? What is your father's name? Which village your papa for come? Which village your papa for come? De wonu kere. De kenu kere okpaika. De kenu kere. Era me anzen. Amakwera me bebo. Era me kinapa. Era me oji. Omajigo yikokima. Era me mawosake wana me yedo asakia. My father is a tanker driver, well recognized in depot. Straight to a tanker driver, or if you life ya fe, or yakokimo ya no biele. Ah, and the more ya never jigo di yakoko, ima ya fe se, never worry maropa. Akbo mama, cause mona you go down coco, or rigmarophobia. I'm telling you. He might understand the work by Ika. Then we say, when we make bad record, when we nyaga, okay, can go and meet psychologist. Hello, this one has nothing to do with am I a university na care. I can't let me know so know that one. Okay, medically you are not stable. You are not stable. You are not stable. You see the way you are doing yourself. Okay, we can't take you in a community of a grandmother association. No, because one, we don't want you to come and use 70 years brain, because a stage in the Mayena, I wake say 60 years. I wake say 60 years. A brain well so bune, a symptom say 70 years, dementia symptoms were more already. My actually were by meeting because a really were for sure. And you like a lot. Maybe I lele community young people here without a matter they say. Maybe I lele here. Who go am when you was so who bawe. Onwe vaga gui. I repeat, I'm still saying it again. When iye-eki and enoge matter happen, I call enoge severally. I beg her. In that video natana, I call iye-eki. I beg her. But when my peace is not enough, I stay away. You get? I stay away. If enoge want do saga to saga iye-eki, I know they share, I know they comment. If iye-eki want saga enoge, I know they comment. I know they share. No. I know they comment. I know they share. But if iye-eki is doing other things, I can comment there. You see, that is the reason I'm free and respected. I know carry iye-eki matter go gossip, go give enoge. I know carry enoge matter me go gossip and go give iye-eki. So when I am free to comment in the iye-eki platform. I know go fear say, my secret where I give enoge, where I gossip give her that iye-eki go complain tomorrow. You see, maturity, this is what we call maturity. I never ask iye-eki to stay away from you. Don't forget, the place where you for gossip iye-eki, I know they do. Now your audio they carry go give her. Ask iye-eki whether they don't give her the audio where I take gossip her one day. Or when it's iye-eki will gas again. He must pick my call. Or man I pick a once of yori. He go keep me back because I know they carry trouble, they work they go. Go when I be team and all doing you know say if I want to tell her something. If that way to cause my Facebook now, I want to tell her my own personal. Since I want just ask her my own. That is how you make friend. But you are not the kind of person like that. Oh no, say me one. I go I bring gossip in. Everybody knows say you big we can run about. Are you not ashamed of yourself as old as you are? Or my name future passively where was it? Or back what you want to laugh me? You born for Nigeria, born for Nigeria. You carry belly, I carry belly. Now I know the person where you born for. Now you know the person where you born for. My old children father, he did for Spain. Now one man I born for. What do you want to be born for Nigeria? But the one we are born for Spain. Now the same man I born for. He did for Spain. Now my first boyfriend. Okpaika, where the man where you born your first speaking for? We never seen him. As you take carry belly, we don't know that one. Eh? I carry belle, you carry belle, you born for Nigeria, born for Nigeria. Which one you want to insult me? Your pikin don't marry, my old don't marry. Which one you want to insult me? You don't get grandchildren, I don't get grandchildren. Which one you want to insult me? I'll pass you, you're not born for abroad, I'm born for abroad. You get document, I get document. You get ass, I get ass. You know they feed me, I know they feed you. So which one you can't feel say I don't get the right? Can't talk to you? Tell me. You desessing more than me? No, nine. No. 3 of me, now they take do that to your body. You need to go and draw common for your obesity. You understand? So why I not get the capacity? Am I who you was? Am I who you was? Am I so dead? Out of this social media where I did, so out of 100, 70 people they know me from Nigeria. Come on, live video. Why you say I not get right to come talk to you? Who tell you say I not get right to come talk to you? Who many? When you want so open? Eh? When you want so open? I don't understand. Okay, can you? Who many are you the Chris? Who bought your one? The same category my way here. Mais je vous connais de na gbebu quoi. Obaika, when they can manage party that are you busy ma bubi quoi. When me de. When they can manage busy on the social media now. You don't see her. You don't ever see. Person will not get anything, not fair cause my mama. I go carry my mama. I go carry my mat. True, go give him mama. You don't ever see her. You don't ever see her, Obaika. You don't ever see her for this social media. On mama gumi my web one. Umaguje me magwira me kwa iwari nu gbere kawari gira video ama kokko me video isole omo na ma train or you nu gbera o ma no nu gira video ma no ma train no ma value era video. You understand? O azu akpa e ka be nu zu anu adeg yeke okpa e ka no be baby no be no me ba bola we gbe the national peace yaren e de dog gbeti gbe ogbeti e de no re kuhia ugbo be wo hu wo me it can have the day I plan the future where we have to move. What a zoo of Agbo. Ever no boo, I don't know, have us away. Hey, man, do have us away and we're facing a ladder. Here, we're picture here. We do that way at you, that way deep here. They don't try it because they know that tomorrow you will come and use it to saga them on live video. It's only fake accounts can deal with you because woman are the secret now or they save. Woman are the secret now or they save. No, you must trust person. You must rely on person. It's not 100%, but at least 60 or 70. We are good to go. How go on? Who are going here? Whether one my back kind, every social media no ya wedding or ya wedding a web. Equal na tanaya. What target? Be life video na. As on our day, ni ye fake ke be money ka be live video na. On a concern this wa gajere. A live video na na betini. Una togo ba wana togo. Una ya hen there ba wo so ba. You know how to lie. I don't got lie me. Who make conscious I got destroy? What kind of a human being are you? You think I'm like you? Be given a way. Be given a way. You winner no you winner ya sewu sak bata say ya. Who me? Wazua. Wa kan sagame. Sagame. E vi no keke ne grandmother game. No je vais na give my way. No keke. E just we are here but we came abroad the same time. 28 no be my mind. E mona be 28 years all of the don't they my house. Wait till they get. With time when you take come. If you don't achieve something, I never achieve it. If you come use to saga me. Me I went in saga Dominion Tosho. Iwe my boy iye my boy back in the webo. Yeah, when I no ki ekwe yeah, when I knock. If I did hear webo, we know them a webo phone. Ma bu gwege ma yari webo. Again, na ya move around me yari kalaba. E ma wo ya la webo na. Even we achieve in we give me ma achieve. We do ya give mo pa ika. Udo ya give mo pa ika. Ehe. Good evening, my darling. How you doing, my lover? Peace on the. Udo ya give mo pa ika. Doro. Suzy, una wake here. We wake here with you. Umeme. I'm with you, man. Knock your maka. But I get here you almost na kokori you. Ume. It tells of fake here. You ya with iga honfuni. Umeme. Wazua. Benija egbekia. You wake here. Where worry you? Where worry you? Who does you? What's it got with me? Who we are him who may consider anybody don't try. Only you went to go away. Me na me be settle ta weti can pure money vi am. Una cha una ri nwejuwe. Ibana gwale kiane ni niano loto toye nage. E gwa ye telephone kwa yana ya gwo gwo nu lesa kiari. Unwega imo Suzy. Dave gwege to kwa kunwe yo. Wa zuwa. Iba bokin lawe gbe. Ologo no nai. Awa gbe keno ne gbe. De keno na gbe ko pa na bi we mi papa ni, daddy. Ni aba vera me ba ye school. Baba ni pa wa to nwan oje wa to mama mi no me daddy. Iti e bo no era mo ki you are my father. You are my papa na go to same school. Thank you sir. You are welcome sir. Egbe mu me so igwa ro ye no 7. Beto pa ika be we kieti oma. Iwe kieti oma never. Kieti oma no ye 10 years die me me ya amanya ho ya wese. Amanya ho ya wese pa ika. Because I wear the same category. Wa kian areje be na ya we kia because opa ika. We are the same grammar. La wo. Consider no lele kiani here. Consider na ya here ye kiani. Consider na ya we kiani. Consider na ya scream here. Consider ya you way. How can you be saying something about take care? Even no lele kiani na ya rio. Who consider? Opa ka je gbegbe job ye mejo je gbe. E buluku gbe job ye. I know they wear buluku they sleep. I just got to beg you. Me and you know they do a care at the same time. Opa ka you they wear dross. I know they wear dross. Unu bata. He have a type of cancer class later. A pants here, ijo. I don't wear dress, I wear pants. Dress and pants not be the same. Dress now that one will be like Tarzan pants where they wear. A dress in the Tarzan ya ate moving. May ye burning. A pant ijo. A pant ijo. Wajo I beg a trace why you tell her you're not trace. You get? Ijo je bury a night guy ijo be. One of the night guy when he do give my way. That's guy you be why vie when you no or to show even on road that way no be road that way pants away why you pants ya quick call you la dia ton you understand a quick call you la dia ton erioji won be we ye gbagba na re epu we gbagba na he with hippopotamus we epu image video ni my tana epu image na epu we epu wo ye wo we na he hu lama me ne gbepu video ni na wo gbe opa Wazua. You don't see a little saga. Wala lama. Suzy. Suzy. Okpaika we look can't side. Ye wan egbe na ni ya gon we ya gon were ri obi oni. Okpaika I want be this one be the first and last one. Iga we egbe lati am Okpaika. Gay o ko gare ni alele de kan. Okpaika mo Mrs. Trouble. You don't know. Go ask. Uma ene. What did they deceive you? What did they deceive you? Makeup. Weave on. Okpaika sin. What did they deceive you? Look me. I've been Mrs. Trouble. Not try me. What a hair. Wazua. What long way? Me we have to cook what do Suzy. I do you guys Suzy. Well, yeah, you guys Suzy. Suzy. Can we ask Suzy? Well, I never was Suzy. Suzy. Even Kevin, I work as Suzy. Echo for your mind. You very know the idea for that. Me understand what. When I don't say they accepted the whatever they did. The reason I'm accepting that logo of a day is that in terms of sexy, I am not among them. Or can answer by camera with the same grade. You go there. No, Okbaika. You know if it's possible, me and you not be the same category in some area. Now lie you talk. Okay? Okbaika, now we're the same category. In the right at the audacity. Yari we to talk by Kegel just boy you bet you want to go bizoma. Or when I made me soon that one temata, that was the reason I did the video I did. But you taking upon yourself where video in there now overlook or we will not wumbo. Who that bola we back? Was Zaga I will be a bola with back murder no so boom. Uma I bet I will pay my quiz whatever. Umare to the pocket there. When no my route no carry. There will never carry over ye cover him. Okay? Partly ye cover, partly ogbe, partly usen, partly ero. Ubiakere. Wakere. Okpaika. Obie pepi, obio nome. Ni babola wegbe. Etete no toge. Wa miabe presenta ya ni saga. Wa rigo ni ifo moni nuga. Kia ni ato saga. Irigo meneni poti. No ya we saga. Imu koni ye. Wa we saga na kumegwa be live video. Wa we saga. Ina we live video. Ina figi ado ansawe. Ido ansawe. Ya we be answer. Ibe answer. Ibe gebe la megbe we mama ne mi ro pa mama. O mama mi no ri eyan megbere. Be we ne deteni. E no se na dogu we kwa paika. Erede we phone e wo gari anako we de dimension we me ame dede ne. E o see e no se na dogu we because of the respect of a grandmother community ni. O se ni na do answer. Wo gabi o kan no ba answer. I don't go answer. I feel cause most more people we don't do saga can't give me I know the answer. I know the answer because I guess sisters we was past them. You understand? I get picking we go still do waiting more than them. You understand? Not be say because say that they do saga they saw their sin or say that they was past. No. I near when I know my bills you are saying we still get them. That is the reason I don't answer anything answerable. But you we be a kaya na phone. The only some people who see keg way any life at this table. You understand? I mean, ni rowebu, yana beni daki. Wani bonison. Those are the setup in the West way. Go head see one. I mean, oh, yes, way. Even the one where you fit us they follow you, they go now manage me because they know say you know they truthful. They will never take their secret and give it to you. Secret thing, they can't give you. Until waiting, they can't give their secret to you. As a responsible mother, be at the no he. I can't hear the yegbo mother don't force you. You want to talk another that you say na make cause quarrel. But if you say something wa be Monica, you are bogala wegbe. O asun we de nevuro wa. E what area ya say something why. Momu we ge no na wegbe muge. Ireba. Mereba. Uche my wife la la me na go vio buko. Ireba. Etwa ya doctor you got that for Nigeria. Wa kidnap or behalf of you that for my wife. My wife, look at my wife. Oh, when you sing ya, look at it, my wife. Oh, ma, where did I want my wall at all? Oh, no, we wall at all. My wife. Who do you know? Who not you also as an orig bogo? All of me also by your seable. You see bogoni any cake. Une bestie, who must have been one gossip. Or to boy tell me video, my video no. Or win you no now. No carry soon, but I want my problem at all. No, but a big one now. What about record you where you get your high? Oh, my no, ya get no yamato, you know, chop on your sin, even yan near. Ireva no di for the not you. Be ma call away. You may ya block away. Eh, Baba, it don't say. But where you communicate be call. Ba. You may ya block away so for 5 years. No, me about the phone away. Once you buy a SIM card, you. Anybody only when they a conversation, anybody who can block you. I didn't know one person. If I even know about straight, but you are blockade life. It blockade because maybe I delete though you set a reflector or maybe in one way or another. I block you because I don't see. You might believe in my way. You understand? Thank you, my darling. You might believe in my way. Me company man communicative way. Okay, deno ki. Okay, madoko we saga. Me deba ma we saga. I deba. Me akame we saga one mass squad. Oga we no ve deri oni. No fi monte 500 dero do iye-eki re dero do so no we bo friends. I never call anybody to come and join me to do saga. Never. I do the saga by myself. I stand alone. I do the saga. I saga myself. Saga the eki, saga the rubber side. I just stand because I don't ready. You can't be back that for the rainy days. Down where you may. See, anybody will no say, when I Nigeria, una ka suffer in Nigeria. A suffer paron where we suffer the weapon and say suffer Nigeria because suffer Nigeria. On you say me encourage your wa mweko bio. No ya bagbo wa go mati bio mu the government when ya lani agwo daji. Wa de okele wa to mu. Iye mi we. A government take go asin your motor but where mu near. Come away, I can't take care of it now. I'm not stable. Okay? Help me to take care of this baby. When I'm okay, I will come and take my away. I swear to God to make me. Only way they drag off you from you. Or you they abuse her. You they beat her. Now only that way they go collect her, you not go see them again. If they ever collect her from you, can see your charge again. But it's simple way. Woman, I met him looking at boy. Again, man, boy, man, again, man, go met you. That is how I nurture my child. There is no day of baby live video now. But to God be the glory, Sabana bless me. Mario Bokagman, the way never. This is me, I be like you. If we go take good record, oh, but be a Ivana, ni be no journey with baby, no Givana. You get marry day way, now baga. No whole time, I will give money, I agree, I not get character. Person will not get character, better pass you or another who you work with the name of where I want to belong, I want to marry. Never. But I come out, I not go to do a kid that kid they go. I strong. I call the also for a body go. Before I go do a kid, I don't know say yes. I'm equal to the tax. You understand? A kid may give visa card may pay you tell you over do what have a platform while you bother your one zaga. Umene. Omake ame visa card go be where are visa card na. Abi man the government leave na are visa card na. Ba bola we be wagon. I dare you. It be a Nigeria na be a weapon. Okay? When I ask strong go to you, when I plan the future to you. In any water ratification in here. Or see a good deck when I will. Ya tell you care back here. It's just a pity way. A cure me no. And another way person with the carry the care they go brain not correct. That's just the mistake I make. And I take that blame. So that any other person will not say, yeah. No. So that other person will learn from my mistake. You understand? So that other person will learn from my mistake. When he boom well with you, no, je m'en fais bored, I say. I will not be ashamed of myself. Never. In as small as concern that the man that ever give me love has set me the way I am. Who be you? Who be you? Wait, what are you? Who be you? The other way, I better sit down. The only thing will go give me shame. Say, I know if you take care of my children. That one a big shame on my part. Only that one. Ube ya atai, iyo boya agbewe, bodo, igbudu. Now me train my first daughter for university. She's a graduate. You get? Now me train now. If papa they abroad, if they look my video, they see waiting at the talk. If not lie, make it call one presenter, make it call talk and say, now lie, oh, she not do anything. I train my first daughter in university. I am the one. The second one, he's still university. Or tie master, or tie bachelor, banya tie bachelor degree. Oh meya. Imagine you first see. Basic education, you umenwan. I know the quality of education. That is the reason I want my children to be educated. Because here go no ye school. Or they different in one you. Or by carry brand yourself. Go and me psychologist. So that your brain, it will sack it for you. Your brain is totally demolished. No, you are sack it, you know. You have a dementia symptoms, but you don't know. You have dementia symptoms already. You don't know. You are doing gaga. When you are away. You know, say you be my picking. Now, you be now. That one we do that day. That one, I mean, you know, so now. Who review you? Review you? May you go and review you? Why, Sarah? You give me no review you. We get a point in. I don't be like you. Who will review you? Who review your biker? May you even know when it is open. Understand? All what do tamame. Ekiani ya walk biker. I know the part in I made the mistake and I accept it. Because I'm a grandmother. Okay, I'm a public figure. I no go fit do something hide. Raf on tire you know ya tie. E u wo do tie. Me ye bu no gwale kia de to ala le spam be mine. Wa gwale kia ya. Me ma ya fefe wo gwale ya kia. I don't know. I don't know. A reason go gwale kia. Iko ya ni don't go to be live video na. U ka we ya we kia de. Then na man fear we jo hai. U no be adulterous. Be live video na. Mo di ya. E ba me ke wa adulterous be live video. Omo ni me ma ba o. Wa ye ka ge be ye we kia de. Ni wa he. He agree. I'm responsible for my action. They take and working attack by Kalao. Go the person go to avoid the personal issue. Like be make go maka make I my way give anything business. But my beg carry me ya ye ni me go go carry me na ye ni. Don't try it. Eta moki. Because e carry visa card me ya pay you tell you. E wa here your my dear. Call. Okay? Unhoa. A party then I made the mistake in your judge me. Or where you get when you dey Italy, Milano, you there with Oibo, you dey do black. You there with Oibo, you dey collect joint money from Monsa. Okpaika, uga collect a presenter soro. Egena no nana are aga mama mi amayo woto agwana ki bekane kure e bekane gbere efu wela you kene una yasin age jo tegani ayere ri avegani ayere jongo vegani usmo be presenter the redos about space. Yes, but if another person you don't use until the inchan, you don't use until the person, you do it. That is the worst trafficking so far. When we 50 per 100 in Nigeria, you did it. You think I don't know? I don't know. Long time ago, I don't know. So now you sit down that day, call the talk to me. Who I want to answer? The one we talk say one maro Igbo. He never reached 1 month. Then get job for Italy. He never reached till today. You oba we rikpo to rikpata. Ama me viro parokpare la diabo. Honey I don't answer. At least ore bareko. Me maso wa. Na meka. Di mana gboko. Ite emi ni awu. So hu wa mu me. So kun iye-eki wa gwa bo me repe. Cause lo vetoke eji woman anyi wo meme oguseti simi o meme meketi ni duwa yari kafteni yari license o meme cause wani buro license o meme wa fi okia meti ni duwa yari license o meme a ogba no me psychologist me fi oboyo merere na de because rere me ogba e dey smart iye mi no kene yawo o sa pa di me dimension ade kere we test tabi me ilese kede doctor ye de se wala wa do fi oboyo merere na then wa na mu ela jan wa mu we microwave no wa gumera wa do gumera because I go my take me. Be ye ugwe no my say no say when me dimension okpa ikala wo wa first of all before you talk to me make sure you come from a good background. Eke gbojire, eke gbazere, eke gbe kena pare. I ma ke gbenire. Okay? Era me say takan driver where recognize the depot what wise. Aya trade mama you go down trade even me marabo bomb dead them to mag bomb about me dead them. That is the reason when I tell me say live with you now we make na na tade abwe Suzy Suzy am your my go asa okpaika when you go dey man send the email that a bejon on ati met to order I got to met to order where are you receiving this money I will date me winner I dey receive 30,000 euro 25,000 euro 20,000 euro go me e god here there they trust me yeah my me Our gospel next month. Area ya fi go to the gbe akin gbe mo le vantele. He said in here you got ready to post it. Let me pack it. Ya say wani to bo me ya we pick it that dog. Are you for it? Me ye na ku no me background. Me background. Anybody know women sa we no la ja no do tebe ni ya wo sa ni. Iku agbo ma ba be mi ira idu oji. Okin ko ihin. Opa ikala wa. Uso be de ya. Bebe mu page mu gwerege ima se bo kanogu we pon ase bo giver. Don't be silly, my friend Mutota. How dare you? E today ya ni social media they not responsible se we can't it start who they not responsible se so come and say it. Error. Make sure if you want to calculate it, look at your background. Look at your way of living your life before you come and judge me. But you check any agboni guruge, you mu page, you na mu gwerege, I don't see anyone. Happy Sunday, my wife. You are blessed and highly favored. Imami I don't see her. I don't see any day where the social media were responsible past me. I am sorry. But that is the truth. I don't see any day for a dosaba space. Where be grandmother were responsible past me, where be mommy Suzy. You know they. If you day I beg. If you want to talk as you take responsible past me, make sure you calculate the area and area and area. You responsible more than me. Then I will come and say the area I don't belong to your community. You understand? The area where I not belong to that community. I go talk. It's a pity. I have to say it because you man time. You know my yama recording no. I say good morning, my darling. Good morning, everyone. Why are that copy no? That is the reason because a lady soon over there. Mena ya we carry me man verify. Or the money we carry the email for 2 years now because I want to start. That's why we man verify where it's a very anyhow human being. Okay, no, that may be me that way. Ona do I saga. Then, all one part will take upon the service we made the effrontery, the calama loso, the integrity. We here total a platform here. Here to send the message. Where are you? So for that part, I'll call the shave. Oh yeah, good at it. Oh yeah, good at it. Hello. Oh yeah, good at it. Who the Zuzu? If I hear pen. Be one day, imweko, imaluhe. Ime biene me waya me mujene. Igwe ni me wekia. Wale do hime ko. Look here. Why look here? Everybody should look here. Okay? If you don't gossip me bad, I will not gossip you bad. But if you don't gossip me, even though you not be present, I get time for your mind. Any place in the name, man, not take away. You are here, you are 70% buy. Hello? You are 70% buy. You? I go carry 70%. Kenu ma we giaki. Wo. Oh, man, not jack when mate ready no ya damn you. You come unyeki are. Inyeki alala ho. Me. Jano. If I dare walk, call me. I will pick again your PC what ye you. You will not hear boy gele ni nyewa. Inyeri woman in your especially where can you mean? Then who wear do re. Inai. If you bobania. The can ni yawa be your money wapu mwewa. The can ni nyoya. Eganu wena anoni meni via. If ya yone kie. Una ayo be toileti. Unwome lule na sawa. Uja yo be toileti omake we ya hara. We ma go wan. Ama not you mabi. Uma go wan agboga kin. Then you do mi onwe. Ugwe ni ela. Ya mi ogwe bugwe flati hian. Ya mi bugwe poti hian. Especially na de kun ekeni hian na leti. Oni ogwe fu. Oni ogwe fu. Ah wo ni ari le logwe. Jadi over imalo. You be abi tamu we. Me se gossip we. Wari mina. Itu a gossip we. We mina me gossip we. We me. E ka fia kamera ega kaya me because raga fia ne to yarame. I'm telling you. Only me opan wa ya back. Ewi sunu vedere. O Mariema not give you the audacity. It just arrived from town and no say saga. I not really like her. Good morning, my sweetheart. How are you doing, my love? I be person way not really like saga. You understand? But if you find me, I will give it to you woto in a very woto-torious way. Only the people where I don't decide say I'm not go talk to again. If I look and say I don't see new Jew. I know the day again. Kekebe where ina where no I cannot reply a mad person. I'm sorry. You get? I know they reply mad person. If you talk to me, I not reply you. I know they fear you. Just that I don't want to rigmarole my friend, myself in the community of a mad people. That is the reason. Happy Sunday, my love. That is the reason we are not going to answer you. But the main reason we are going to answer you, can be this one. Not be because say your age. No, you they behave like 30-something years. Because you don't already get the measure of 17 years old woman. Not be because of that I can't answer you. Because of that title from God, grandmother. It's a title anybody cannot change. It's a blessed title. That is the reason I am here. And I'm so happy to be a grandmother. To be association of a grandmother.com worldwide or day by God. I'm so happy to be that. That is the reason I can't answer you. You get it? Okay? But okpaika. Uke gigume. Mesho. Udo ladin. Udo tevenu yamwekoe. Any they will not talk as it carry belly. You come social media, you can't do any hang for another person matter. Uboga you did anything. It did no malaja no do tv no yamwekoe. Because first and foremost, a good master show good example. A good master showed a good example. You must make example to people to learn from it. When I came onto social media, now me tell you now say, na belly I carry. I never do married before. Even though if I suppose I not talk, I'm not for no, because now one person I bought two children for. Yes. Why so I can't ever told you why will not be now one person. He was my first boyfriend. Now one person I bought the two for. Okay? So at least I'm responsible more than many of you on the cyber space. You cannot use that to judge me. 2, I'm responsible to take care of my children. Only what here go maku. Imaye university beti me ya tun salobo. O wa gba no ko graduate ne. O lawo do no so boy we don't carry business they do. No po give us salobo agun me gba o gebe tun salobo you go no ma ya go even. O wa ye school adin o zele boni. O you kekere. O ga tape computer ikparakutu. Eko ya sen onyeme. Obi mi ha spell mo ga tape computer. Oh salobo ame ni go do awe. Oh baba. Ki ma be la le computer e bi agboniri o ge itori. I start me ya go ati bi kere no ro. But at least what came from me can operate it. It's a plus to me. Okpa ka omi oni ya game. Honey ro. I carry belly for Nigeria, I carry belly for abroad. That the same man I give me the belly, no pay my bride price. Now free I take give out the children. I don't regret. At least now good I do for him. You understand? A boy and a girl, no easy. Now I make her. I might be said, don't want to get like the social media women in the try again. Because I say me une. I say une. You understand? I say me une. I'm a blessed. That is, I'm a blessed woman to his life. Oh my easy. Free of charge. Mano. Oh my pay go. Corporate million no come and say, you know pay. My people. Oh where gano. Ito. You understand? Yeah. Am I regretting? No. Can't you see? I'm saying it as a cruise. I'm saying it to laugh because I enjoy it. I don't care what you think. What you think about me, it doesn't important. The most important thing is what I feel for myself. You get me? If you don't get me, forget about it. So, Okpaika, go and rebrand yourself. While la jam live video, no time me mave no yam wekoe. Ba maike nukere. E sa ma e gukin. O agbe no keko do agbe no rieko. E sa ugbele ya. Uri e disgrace uri e giviere. De me oga ugbe no mi orere nu gwe ewu. Oga ugbe no. We fi pe give sane. I have never insulted any Esan person once. Because I won't do that. I have a lot of causes niece as Esan. We I for say Esan not good. Now fear for now there for say they no good. I will never do that. The year we way. Akwa ugo oye don we malaki na oye do we marry. Oye don we malaki na. Oye doni oye we marry. Oye don we malako. Oye we ekiedo oba my be. I marry we mana pay brapas mana refi wa. Be we gegbe okiye do wa me. We ye we tibi do severio. Who are we tambo we nega on oye do no ya han obi e onegbofure. No why we just resist wofo. Uye na go wan ekpage uwe. You are eating your vomit. Meru do when me we san ropa ma God forbid but so no pa nega so ane. Agwa. Because if you san me, I too love that to the extent where I no go fit carry my mouth. When you san a tell me be ye ko get dan ya gbeni me. Eje o. We mate san me set over yeki. Obunya ado do report over ye do me. You don't know how many. He many you. You could be jigo when you go bless me more. Hello. Oh, you go that thing. But I don't be like you on your bike. You even like way. What way? Ula jave let you know with video. You marry home. You make a video because he block you. You get video way. If you're tired, where you say let me. I got time me no tag. Oh, you go that thing. Oh, yeah, go that thing. Oh, yeah, go. Oh yeah, good that way. Emekia, ukwaya, always like me. You never get it. You get the kia. We look keep quiet. But you when your yegbe wake your paika. You are using or yegbe. You are wake your paika. You know me. I do not the same level. E kenu pe ana spoki me or paika. O pe ati spoki wo paika. O pe ati spoki we. O no mo se garo godo. Ikpe aso ye admaya e. Walking out tabwe umao oh opaika mega keep bossy my women we are begging toasty with correct English in a very romantophobia any agye voice yata any friendly Suzy I will marry you my coin. Suzy, you are my tomatoes in my stew. Suzy, without you I cannot. You are the curry in my stew. Suzy, you are my daily destiny. Suzy, without you I cannot play. But when you are not take baby very only my work by car. I reply here say erioje okona mose ogameki hello am I regretting no am I regretting no e mo je egbeme yana kun ya soto uvun he yakin e bebe ope ka avugwemu esi o abwekin apada ope akemugwe ije menije. Oh, yeah, see where you see well, I bet your back. We go out on the bed. Do you know how to barophobia inside the bed? No, my dear. God. Who go out on the bed? Go out on the you don't know how to turn because you have to. Oh, yeah, you are obesity. You can't turn. Money, man, they care. Oh, Salomon, that's not the way. Papa. Did you know how to turn inside the bed? Can you turn? In terms of rolling, can you turn? in the bed? I don't think so. No. You can't turn. Okpaika, go and die here. Stream down. Make sure you have a moderate session. Understand? To get a point even. Okpaika, we are yitala, we're burning. Ekis, is. A fabrica with tala we. Okpaika can have a guess in an hour here. If I didn't know. Here, me passing by a war. Yeah, me and you have a shopping street. Ah, mommy is good. Obama, if you get that, because now you're ready to roll. I ready to roll. Okay? Now you're ready to roll because me la ba quick before. Unu ne dado e gwase no evo. But me ye na wo. Be a wase ki ban e wari e heli. They hear you. Me manage me. Hardly before I got to wear the share clothes, I can't wear them. It hard. Thank you, my lovely wife. Yeah, say where she cannot turn because jamais. Get by your budu. I drill up my carry bed. You cannot compare yourself with me. Okay, no move way. Considering. Oh, God, consider. Oh, when you are why you don't know. Okay, be 55 years in it. Egbe kakabo ya jaki sewe salobua. Ba ya sunwe baba. Eri aba vona. Iye ni emunu. De look bani asiwe ani owe igogo nwe o. Igogo nwe o. Iye ni munu poga de ibasi e. Eri aya gogo. Wowe. Ogi me. Okpa ika egboho. Mother stand on the side when I defrotion or me stand oh me full packaging. I can be the top, I can be the that, I can be the side, I can be the corner, I can be the part of pick your dollar. Or where they can win a zero. Well, when way doggy side ban yekewe yaje. Oh yeah, nyagudi. Budu what bow. When I go nisi propotamus or ye bada or ye good that. Oh get do to tanya bia. Unwege man your deck betting you Tony. He has already made the coffee by himself. Because 179 kilo. I mean, who take an egg ya bidding. Only know who take no go summer. Try only a compressor who compress. But man, I wrote the way we in my way like a jungle over, just like leke, give me water, Frigga. You know. We do it in a normal way. I don't want to I might say I later. You understand? Man, you cannot swear my day. I want to go and take my bath because the man of photo ladder when do your makeup. My people, I'll go to talk later. I will not come to Facebook. I'll go to talk. Man, you can't do. Man, you can't move. Ya mi me Nigeria. My people, why agree? Mother stand. Again, I hear the wicked daki. Mother stand. I'm resigned. Totally. No, never. Oh, no, for the moment. No. Not well. Understand? No. Yeah, I can't better move do. My baby, age brackets. You understand? We don't know as get gemu. No, we are to bed the with mama. For inside bed, man, they call me mama. Money na womo walking up petty me. Cause we romantic phobia me. You understand? Oh God. Of you understand the mania. Men or ya or you good at it. Okay, can I feel for you guys? Social media say, oh, don't think because something happened that day, you talk for my matter. I just got a beggar of phone. That will not give anybody effort to make contact to me anyhow. If you try, if anybody try, gay, you got to do money. You not the malady. I swear your money high. I don't take you man object. You have nonsense. You get okay. The only offense ni here set to commit or ni bomawa or ni we come in a yayega. Ofo ugbeve na mi egbe mi ni we e kamina na yega ima we black this thing ima mi o ma do ima do ba pe ani ba ho ama go pa no mo ho bo ya lele. There is nothing like that. Never. Ekiani, I'm responsible for that Ekia for 2 years plus. Okay, I want to stand. So okay, can you better question saga me with another thing? Saga me if my mama and wish. Saga me if my papa and wish. Saga me the time when me and you take come abroad say I not do anything when you don't achieve. Saga me say I not the dress like you. Saga me say I not get money. Saga me if I dey lie the way you dey lie. Saga me if I not get character, say not get character. Saga me if I not fit train my children. If na saga igbenihi. Saga me di me kiawu. Saga me boni. Okay? But that one we happen that day. That one not be saga. Okay? That one not be saga, eh? I don't understand you. A saga de me to be me na saga me me to be me na made mistake or what time me ye we the slow bu na pick no na made mistake because it's something not happen to you, it not happen to me, not happen to another person. We cannot learn. Years ago, many of our ladies, you get one sister we fed day for Italy, they're grown-up children. Something happened to her, it can't carry a nude, go give person, the person can't record her. I believe said that woman, she's still there alive now. It happened to her. Everybody saw the seat with her at that very time. Now, because of that way happened to that woman, now everybody take guess and say, all those men, no try and open your pekos for them, they use and take blackmail you. You see, we learn from that. We learn from that. Me, I learn from that. That kind of mistake, I not go for make her. Nobody will see my pekos to use it to blackmail me. They never born that person. Because I don't learn from that one way happened to that woman. Yes. Now, they give you that if you want to date any man in other country, please, don't be ashamed, don't be shy. Bring the person picture. Ask one or two person who live in that country, who live the same city. Verify the character, how the person take there, whether I don't born I, whether I marry I, how the person take live the life. It's very important. That is the moral lesson we need to be learning. I made a mistake in that part. You get? That is what we need to do because many of them will give say buy. And if you want to friend get for any country where they, any city where they, make sure you are verified because someday you not go know why they you were not do my you know you live a life for where it's a mistake. We need to learn every day. We upgrade every day. You get? So for your mind now, can't tell you say you did video. Can't give me day for yesterday. You do yesterday. I don't see your video. Now my people will see and I tell me a few things where you talk. Now I can't give out to you. Never you try that. Okbaika, uke do gume gwala ya si 20 kilo his kilo we karine. Unwa, esi oha. Ya si ye kilo we ute ye gbadi. You might not say why we have to say the same akpologbe ya mo bo me hwan. I don't know why. Mabi mama na kwe na. E mama kwe. Ebi me ma we keke. Owe ma ya de. Umenwan. Ono se ona gwani how. Ebe kia ni me ya uyu ime wo nyahi wo zigaru wo bi eme o wo nyahi wa do gwa ya pekime be no nya pekime me careful be to bi me no nya me I careful with the akpeko myself ama bi we no do gwa ya if no so no ya peko na egbo mo akpeko me mo gbo ye wo what is your problem there no problem you work by ika what problem you work by ika ro wan take your time okay take your time. You don't know your name. You don't even know your generation. You always think, well, here's something. Who knows? You are not from Isha. They said you are not from Isha. Where you from? Let us know. I just got to beg you. As a grandmother, it's your duty to come on social media to teach people where you came from, the tradition of your father's side, not from your mother. Hello, are you a bastard? You were here. I don't understand. Huh? E bastard here. When can we carry? Ume kenera kero paika. Evi no sinu webo nera kero wetita. Ume tite villagera. When tite kenera kere. Am yo honu ga obi ausa. When tite kenu kere. Ume tite. You might understand the way. Ume tite. Opaika ruwe wan. He made the right, the audacity. Okay, the effrontery to talk to you. Yes, when you are doing anything wrong on social media. Says, by the community of all grandmother, I'm equally to that tax. I have the right to talk to you, to advise you, to go and meet a doctor, psychologist, to psychologist your brain, to remove your brain. The white, this thing with inside your head. Make they put on for some microwave. They make the microvan. Treat you, give you better injection, 7 for year, 15 for year. Make you the year what? Make they give you dementia treatment. Because you never reach 55 years. You don't already get mentality of 70 years. You are thinking like them already. You get? Not talking. say I not get right to come talk to you. Nu gbe anabi owo won pa ika. Emi sunu da me. We onu gba be we me ya. We onu gba. Oku na ya mo pa ni ma e gine picture me kwose oku ni number 1. O kai ko fi an wo de va wo. Ugbo be wo ho a. Abi ogun so ogun fa gbo e. U me ya. Nu na ka bi me e ma be gugbe pa me do gugbo. O pa ika wa de va wo. E British pa ika wa de va wo bi okuko e ba boga lawe gbe. O adegi ye kede go here. No degi ye ko ga here very yo wo British pa ika. Nu me gbe kere nu me gbe kana. E dede no ri ofin. Bi ba bo lawe gbe le zaga lawe gbo pa ika. No e British pa ika no bi e pepi no bi ono me. Me ke nu kere wo. No ke ho hiwire. Nu zaga. We bi me meti to gugwe kon gbo kin abi yo wo. Won nu gba nu we video no egun me kon ni na go we kon. E kere me ya be de me gbebe na do ti we. Me invite when we do go no when abo kan we kan kiani wa kan bo kan we juwe igugbe me ya pege utea wo nya peke me ni me ya okomi wo pay tax ni me ya ogun wa jawe hia me no we wan era there wo mu me la webu ejeti we nuka me be mo sai be mu na bo for free me be mu na be mo sama wetin mu na bo for free the reason we go to go ya me go isolate one why business for this social media what you they cook they give other people if they cook and give una why do you why even wale why mo wa gbo to wa mo gbo on do before we go chop before we go chop wa mo wa ni gbo to better I lenu why we o si egbo ni on you say na why so me cause why if you pay your go ma be if you pay your go to wa gbegbo wa award ya piti so pa ika no be bibi uhiazuwa hippopotamus eku ene gwoko be na gi hippopotamus ba boga lawe gbe eku ene metu he u ba boga lawe gbe e tete ne ma piko e tete no weku egbumu be na gi hippopotamus i ba boga la oli ye kelawe gbe tete ta e tete no me buhe i ba boga lawe gbe tete no mo spameti no jomano e jomano ye 15 years ya ti won i ba boga lawe gbe wa degi ye kede go here wo asun gwede ne wo wa ebiti so pa ika no ke wo kin mi de iba bo kin alawe gbe ipa gbopa no ari agbon wo azuwa yenu ya mo ko e ma dota mi ma o pa ika ta ma me reason no se ri ke na dogu we gun ta ma me reason e be ru gbe ko be Nigeria me ko be Nigeria pa ika we mo bi gbe lawe bo me na mo bi me la pa e lawe bo o pa ika no bi e bebi iba bo lawe gbe David nu ni ma wo pa ika dota who work here 15 years, no 15 years. Me work here not dear legbe. Hey, good prick you. Because in West Family Joma, you might not be me damida. You do any like a dementia person. Oh, eki your master magbe. I do any was war. You might go or by Catamane new. Have you been or by Cabia weapon? Did you boy European Union? Where be the European Union or Baika? Where experience even a beer the weapon? Have you boy series? Did you boy a series? Opaika, I'm a moral no serious man. Okay. We be a webo. Be mayo ya sowe. Opaika no be baby. Imayo ya sawe. You are a rigmarole. Hippopotamus, knee couple. You are a calamar notion. Who does you? You must no go for your mind. You do it for yesterday. You can't get a constitution yesterday. Bob your work. Wo asalwa o kone umi egbe mu pa